afternoon, good evening, good morning, everybody. My name is Alien Blake. I want to share with you a little tip on how to not remotely, sorry, how to auto shut down your computer. So you don't want to you want to shut down your computer in 3 hours, for example. You can do it that way. What will you use it? I like running AI art on my computer, on my PC. But late in the night, I go upstairs and I connect to my PC downstairs from my laptop upstairs. But I don't have the capability of shutting it down remotely, and I'm lazy. I don't want to come downstairs and turn it off. So the scheduled shutdown actually works a treat for me. All you need to do, you go to your search bar, CMD, click OK. All you need to do is type shutdown space minus S, that stands for system, space minus T, which means time, and then you give it a time in seconds. In my particular case, I'm going to use 10,800 seconds. I press enter, which is about 3 hours. You can see at the bottom it's telling me there's a scheduled shutdown. So that's how it works. So the computer will shut down at 10:31 today. Right. Let's say you made a mistake, right, and you don't want to do that anymore. All you need to do is again just type shutdown and then space minus A. You press enter and you get a bomb. At the bottom here it says, your log off is cancelled. The scheduled shutdown has been cancelled, which means, your computer will no longer shut down in specified time as before. I found this really useful. It's a little tricks when when to come downstairs and turn your computer off. Hope this helps. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe.